Okay, welcome back to the channel. This is day number 2 of a clutch cable install. I'm working in a storage unit where the rustic Fox is kept and it's really cramped in here. And so having to transport tools back and forth, this kind of gets monotonous. But anyway, it turned out to be a little more difficult than I thought. Underneath the dash is extremely hard, as you know, to get to the Quadrant. So you won't see much footage of that because it's like very difficult for 2 people to be there. But I did take the driver's seat out. It couldn't be done with the driver's seat in. I got to go back underneath to fix an error that I did with the clutch fork and the clutch cable. So I need to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and install the other screws and the firewall adjuster. So it held on my 3 screws instead of 1. That's that, and let's get to work. So this bolt actually has to be off. Oh, look at the little spider. What's up, buddy? I like spiders. All right, so now I'm gonna take you guys under the dash now that I got the Quadrant on and the cable through the first hook closest to me. Here we go, I'm gonna show you how tight it is under here. I'll go underneath and look up. That is the Quadrant there that I had to install. Right there, the cable goes through. Had to put the washers in the back, put the pin back in, and then had to do the same in the front here. That first one, the second one in the back. So it should be good to go. It's got to go underneath the car now. Get it to where I can slide it out and then put the other bolt on and then cinch it, right? Typically you want to take the cable back out. If I had something to put here and pry this forward, then I can do that, but I don't think I have anything. All right, so once we get everything adjusted, there's a piece that you put over this. It's called a dust shield. It keeps dirt and dust out of here. As you can see, they didn't put it back on when they worked on it. So I'm gonna adjust it some out there at the firewall. Well, I think that did it. So we'll find out once we are able to see where the clutch engages. We'll see if we did a good job. it needs bigger fuel injectors, like 24 pounds, and another mass air as well to match the fuel injectors. Tried to tell the one place that, and they wouldn't listen. So looks like I'll be going where the Black Widow is, which is Blue Oval Performance with Chung, the Foxbody guru. No power steering. Oh, gonna put it back in storage until we can get it over to Blue Oval Performance. And then just go from there. Gotta get the Black Widow completed first. That's my priority. I would call that a success. 2 days, a success. Now that I'm high on fumes in this shed, I gotta get outside. So until next time, OGC Fly Garage, I'm out.